All right, people are starting to catch smallmouth bass, and I want in on it. Water ain't that bad. So this is a warmer water creek than like others, since this is comes out of a lake. I'm seeing people catch fish out of here, or smallmouth bass in particular. Trout. It's pretty decent trout. I don't want you, I wanted a bass, but I'll take a trout. Thanks. Won't calm down. I have to get a picture of him. Pretty thick rainbow. I'm going for smallmouth. Like a 16-inch fish, but he's fat. Dude, the water like smells. Maybe it could have just rained. But like it like actually like smells. There's like fucking like napkins like floating down the stream too. That's the third one I've seen right in front of me. Oh, there's a carp right there. I had something just hit that. Yeah. It's a bass. Let's go! Biggest smallmouth of the year. The other one was like a whole 2 inches long. Dude, let go of it. There we go, nice smallmouth. This water actually smells bad. I think because it's like tiny bit high. Like usually like it doesn't smell this bad. This is like the city. It's Etna. Usually it doesn't smell this bad. No way, that was cool. Oh, fuck you, it came on. I'm hoping the bank down here isn't like worn away like it usually is. Oh, I missed it. There he came back for it. Smallmouth bass. That one I just lost bigger than this. I don't have my normal pliers. I hate these kind of pliers. I found these years ago on the side of the creek. It's the only pliers I got. There we go. Nice smallmouth. First, like I'd say nice one of the year. The first one I caught this year was on the Kiski and it was super tiny. And then you saw that first one I caught. So you can say this one's actually a pretty good one. Oh, that's a trout. That's a rainbow trout. That's a pretty, oh fuck yeah, that was actually a pretty good one. Oh, something else took it. Dude, something fucking took it. Yeah. Oh, it's something little. It's actually it's not that little. It just hit weird. Other nice little creek smallmouth. Probably the average size in here. Hoping now that the kind of cold front kind of moved away. For now, these. Oh my god, that was a decent fish, wherever that was. Dude, he ate at the bank. Dude, they're fucking mad today. Dude, something. Yeah. Thought I saw something come after it. Dude, these fish are feeding up. It's pre-spawn, that's what it is. People don't fish down here very much. People are afraid of water. I don't like these. They don't have. There's no backbone on this, so I can't really get like a good grip on it. I'm afraid I'm gonna break the pliers. Not that long, but he's pretty fat. Pretty fat fish. Other one, right away. Oh, what the fuck is this? Dude, he's a friend with him. That's a pretty good bass. It's like dark. This is a dark fish. Dude, this is a crazy looking fish. Let me lip you. This is a crazy looking fish. Look how gray it is. He had a friend with him too. That's a pretty good smallmouth. Maybe the biggest one I ever caught in Pine Creek. I just gave away my spot. There is like a 3-pounder in a hole down here. I've never caught it. I've lost it like 3 times. Because I always bent my hook out. This has gotta be the biggest smallmouth I ever caught at Pine Creek. Probably like a 16, maybe 17. I'd say like 16 inches, but he's fat and like dark and all different colors. So they are in here. I've noticed like the smallies are getting bigger. I fished here as a kid, or like when I was like a teenager. The average smallmouth was like 10 inches. And now like I'm catching these like 11, 12, 13, 14, they're getting bigger each year, it seems like. I wonder why that is. Oh my god, that was a walleye. That was a walleye. That was a freaking walleye. Something else just bit it too. Come on, eat it. He just missed it again. Something's still chasing it. There we go. Not that big a one. This used to be the average size bass out of here. peeing everywhere. I still got some pretty good holes coming up. This used to be the average size out of here. Now it's a little bit below average. Still fun to catch. Still give a hell of a fight. There we go. After a while. I wonder if I go to a grub or something on the way back. If these fish are on the bottom, maybe they can't see because the water isn't that clean right now because it decides to rain every day. Like the water was clear when I showed up today, then right after I started fishing, I noticed it started getting cloudier. Because it rained yesterday evening and then this morning. But it was like a very light rain. This is a pretty good fish. This is a pretty good smallmouth. What am I doing here? Well, he came unhooked. Here we go. Rod's in the water. Everything's in the water. This guy deserves a picture. Right as the sun came out. Ice Creek smallmouth. Going back. So smallmouth don't like rain. They don't like cloudy weather. Oh my god, that was a decent fish. I just folded. He came out of nowhere last second. Oh my god, he came up. He missed it. Dude, I saw him chase that. It's a trout. It's a brown trout. Is this the first stock brown trout of the year? I think it is. First stocked brown trout of the year. Let's go. Dude, I saw him come up with that. That was sick. I'm counting it. I'm counting that. Dude, that was sick. They only seem to be in like 2 holes, 2 spots. Very similar spots, kind of slow moving, deeper, but not too deep. And lots of cover. So I never caught any today up in like rapids or anything, which is usually where I catch them at. Maybe like a month from now they'll be up in the rapids. My GoPro keeps like drifting this way on my chest for some reason. I don't know why. There we go. I don't know how it's happened, but it happened. Yeah. Another one. Another small one. Maybe the small ones are in the back. Think that walleye would hit again? I doubt it. It's kind of too sunny right now. Oh my god, it's a trout. I thought that was, oh fuck, that's the second time that trout came off. So we started doing a death roll and he tangled my line. He tangled the line around the hook. That's how he came off. That was tangled so bad to cut my line and redo it. There we go. Oh, what is that? That's the trout. That's a trout. That same trout. It's coming at me. Kind of snagged a little bit. That's a pretty good sized trout. He's just fat, or she, it's a she. See how smallmouth bass just like chill out and you don't? I'd like to